The donkey punch prophecy. This one is gonna flip people out, but it surely will become a proverb as it's seen that it is indeed true. I must first say that I give no sanction to such evil things, and I don't recommend or promote it, but figuratively, this name fits like a glove. One symbol that God has used to symbolize the church in the prophecies is a beast of burden, a donkey or an ox. The ox knows its owner, and the donkey its master's crib, but Israel does not know, my people do not consider. ISA 1:3. Like a beast of burden, Israel, and now the Christian church, was meant to carry the gospel through the ages. Also, a woman in prophecy represents a church, or sometimes a certain class, family of people, or nation. A virgin would represent an innocent and pure church, and a whore would represent a corrupt and adulterous church unfaithful to God and man. Now, you may already see how these symbols both apply to the dumbass church, but pause to digest what's found in Romans. What then? Israel has not obtained what it seeks, but the elect have obtained it, and the rest were blinded. Just as it is written, God has given them a spirit of stupor, eyes that they should not see, and ears that they should not see, to this very day. And David says, let their table become a snare and a trap, and a stumbling block, and a recompense to them. Let their eyes be darkened, so that they do not see, and bow down their back always. I say then, have they stumbled that they should fall? Certainly not. But through their fall, to provoke them to jealousy, salvation has come to the Gentiles. Rom 11:7-11. Do you see the donkey punch? The sheltered church wouldn't, but if you don't know then ask someone who has open eyes. Like a beast of burden, like a dumbass, like a whore, they bow down their back always. And like a donkey punch, bam, they're blind and unconscious. And when they wake up they'll say, did I just get raped and robbed? They will feel raped and robbed when they see that their inheritance got stolen from them like Jacob supplanted Esau, stole the birthright, and was later named Israel, and then again, Ephraim was chosen before Manasseh, Gen 48:12-20. In that day one shall take up a proverb against you, and lament a bitter lamentation, saying, we are utterly destroyed. He has changed the heritage of my people, how he has removed it from me. To a turncoat he has divided our fields. Micah 2:4. The donkey punch is that proverb. This very day this prophecy is fulfilled, and you see it with your own eyes. Search the book and read, it's everywhere. And as the Sabbath is restored in that day, says the Lord, I will assemble the lame, I will gather the outcasts, and those whom I have afflicted. I will make the lame a remnant, and the outcast a strong nation, so the Lord will reign over them in Mount Zion from now on, even forever. Micah 4:6-7. And I must mention this because it doesn't apply to Babylon. They are the walking dead already if they cling to their delusions, but this applies to the SDA church. What shall we say then? That Gentiles, who have not pursued righteousness, have attained to righteousness, even the righteousness of faith, but Israel, pursuing the law of righteousness, has not attained to the law of righteousness. Romans 9:30-31. And Jesus said, for judgment I have come into this world, that those who do not see may see, and that those who see may be made blind. John 9:39. And the churchfolk, who don't take heed to these counsels to restore the Sabbath, and branch out from their own homes, will see the showers of latter rain pouring down all around them, while they are dry. They will feel robbed as if from a thief in the night, and they will cry out, when it's too late, the harvest is past, the summer is ended, and we are not saved. Je 8:20.